Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best car wash hose is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools for maintaining a sparkling clean car, saving you time and effort compared to traditional methods. This video will dive into the top features to look for when selecting a car wash hose attachment, helping you choose the perfect one to effortlessly clean your vehicle and achieve professional-looking results, no matter your skill level or experience. Number 5. Chemical Guy's TORQ Foam Blaster 6. It makes car cleaning fast, easy, and fun for the whole family. Simply connect it to your garden hose and enjoy a foamy cleaning experience that leaves your car sparkling. Car wash foam is key to a scratch-free finish. It turns your car wash into a foam bath, gently removing dirt without scratching your paint. Most swirls and scratches come from improper washing. This reduces that risk by applying slick foam, keeping your paintwork protected. Easily adjust the foam concentration to match your car's dirt level. Just turn the dial to control the soap and water mix for optimal foam coverage. Looking for a great gift? It makes car cleaning fun and easy, perfect for car enthusiasts of all ages. What we like. It easily connects to any standard garden hose and creates a foamy cleaning experience. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to wash your car without scratching the paint, this is the product for you. Its adjustable foam concentration ensures optimal cleaning for various levels of dirt, saving you soap and water. What people say. It works perfectly, with absolutely no leaks anywhere. The device is made mostly of plastic, however the brass is actually brass, and not just aluminum sprayed with what appears to be a brass coating. It's that quick, simple, and effective. I wanted to finally get rid of, so used the last of my Meguiar's Gold Class soap, put the dial on 3, and this thing threw a surprising amount of suds with a soap not really designed to foam. This thing turns your regular old hose into a foam cannon, covering your car in a thick, luxurious layer of suds that'll have it looking like it's just stepped out of a professional detail shop. Number 4. Twinkle Star Pressure Washer. This pressure washer gun boasts a heavy-duty brass core and a durable design, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. It's perfect for various cleaning tasks around your home or business. It comes with 5 different nozzle tips, offering various spray patterns to tackle any cleaning challenge. From a powerful 0-degree jet to a wide 40-degree fan, you'll find the perfect setting for every surface. The included foam lance lets you create thick, rich foam for effortless cleaning. Easily adjust the foam density and spray pattern with the top knob and rotating nozzle. Its upgraded design features an O-ring to prevent leaks, ensuring a smooth and efficient cleaning experience. It's simple to assemble, use, and clean. It's ideal for cleaning cars, windows, driveways, roofs, and siding. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, it's the perfect tool for the job. Remember, it requires a pressure washer with at least 1,500 psi. Also, the M22-14 thread fitting may require an adapter for some pressure washer hoses. What we like. This high-pressure foam lance is made from heavy-duty brass for long-lasting use. If you own a pressure washer and want versatile cleaning options beyond car washing, consider this. The multiple nozzle tips and adjustable foam settings offer precise control for various cleaning tasks. What people say. Attaches right onto the end of the spray gun. Fill with soap, turn on the power washer, and go. Nice wide foam spray range. Makes lots of foam and that's adjustable with a knob on top. Works with my pressure washer just fine. I like the way it soaps up the car before I wash it with my hand cleaning cloths. Makes for less trips back to my soap bucket, and it's actually kind of fun. The foam cannon itself feels and works like it was meant to be 50. Love using it and it attaches really easily and smoothly to any other guns I have. The actually pressure washer pistol that comes with the foam cannon isn't so great unfortunately. Besides that, everything works fine as described. Number 3. Foam King Car Wash Sprayer. Say goodbye to expensive car washes. This innovative system lets you achieve a professional quality clean from the comfort of your home, saving you time and money. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply connect it to your garden hose, no extra attachments needed. You'll be creating thick, rich foam in seconds. This foam is gentle yet effective. It effortlessly removes dirt and grime without scratching your vehicle's delicate paintwork. It offers 6 different foam settings, so you can customize the cleaning power to match your vehicle's needs. A rinse spray is also included for a perfect finish. It's incredibly versatile. Clean cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, even outdoor gear. Simply adjust the foam settings for optimal results. We're confident you'll love it. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. Let's get cleaning. What we like. It fits all garden hoses and produces thick suds instantly, making car cleaning fun and fast. If you're looking for a scratch-free cleaning solution that's easy to use and connects directly to your garden hose, this is a great option. Its adjustable foam settings cater to different dirt levels, ensuring a thorough clean. What people say. The construction is pretty sturdy for being plastic, but I wouldn't be careless and let it fall from a height. Foam gun works great. Easy to attach and detach. Produces decent amount of foam and suds for quick and easy clean. The included spray nozzle is easy to use as well. It is really simple. You can hook your garden hose and put some of your favorite soap in the dispenser and top up with water and you are done. The water gun and foaming assembly are held together by quick connect couplings and take only 1 second to remove without tools. It is very convenient when you want to switch between foaming the car and rinsing. Number 2. SwiftJet Foam Gun Kit. Get ready for a car wash experience like no other. This foam gun makes washing your car a breeze, protecting your paint from scratches. Car pros know that foam gently lifts dirt, preventing scratches. It's the key to a sparkling clean finish. Turn car washing into a fun game. It's easy to use and connects right to your garden hose. Control the foam level with the 6-level adjuster. More foam for dirty cars, less for a quick clean. It's designed to prevent scratches and damage. Just attach it to your hose and start spraying. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This foaming gun makes car washing a fun activity for the whole family. If you like a quick and easy way to wash your car without causing any damage, this is a perfect choice. The adjustable soap foam concentration allows you to customize the cleaning process for optimal results. What people say. Easy to use, hooking it up to my hose was a breeze, and adjusting the foam level is super simple. Great suds. This thing produces thick, luxurious foam that clings to my car and lifts away dirt like magic. Saves time. The foam does most of the work for me, so I spend less time scrubbing and more time admiring my clean car. The foam gun is incredibly easy to use. The setup process was straightforward, and it seamlessly attaches to a standard garden hose. The adjustable foam density feature allows me to customize the foam concentration according to my specific cleaning needs. Whether I am tackling stubborn dirt or giving my car a routine wash, the foam gun consistently delivers a thick, luxurious foam that clings to the surface, ensuring thorough cleaning and lubrication. The included microfiber wash mitt is an absolute game changer. The mitt's soft, plush fibers are gentle on my car's paintwork, while still effectively lifting dirt and grime. The foam coverage is exceptional. It produces thick, rich foam that clings effectively to the car's surface, making dirt removal a breeze. The build quality is remarkable. The foam gun features a sturdy brass connector and durable plastic components that feel built to last. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip during extended washing sessions. One of the standout features is the adjustable soap ratio dial, which allows precise control over soap concentration. Number 1. Foam Cannon Soap Foam Gun. It effortlessly transforms your favorite soap into a rich, thick foam. This makes cleaning your boat, car, or even your driveway much easier and more effective. It offers 6 settings, letting you control the foam density. Simply adjust it to your preference for the perfect cleaning experience. No need for a pressure washer. It easily attaches to your standard garden hose for convenient and efficient cleaning. It's incredibly easy to use. Just attach it, add soap, and start cleaning. You'll cut your cleaning time in half. As a family-owned American business, we're committed to quality. We stand behind our products and your satisfaction. What we like. This foam gun is incredibly easy to use and turns your soap into rich foam. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to apply foaming soap to your car, boat, or other vehicles, this is a great option. The adjustable foam concentration lets you customize the cleaning process for various levels of dirt. What people say. Washing my boat, 29 feet, with a hose, bucket of suds and a pail is very difficult and time-consuming. This foam cannon works great. Suds cover all the hard-to-reach spaces and clean the boat very well. It's a great time saver too. Never use a bucket again. Works great. Seems to be quality made. This is the second purchase of this product. The first one didn't fail, but I didn't put the nozzle on good and it shot off the body and I lost it in the water. Make sure it clicks into place. This gun makes lots of foam with very little soap. I use Orpine. I no longer need a bucket full of soapy water on deck. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.